Lesson 11, The Swan. Let us continue with the student book exercise, Learn Words and Study Skills. There are many objects in the sky: sun, clouds, moon, stars, planets. Let's talk about planets today. These are the 8 planets of the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. We can remember the sequence of the planets based on their distance from the sun in the form of a song, which goes something like this: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Well, in the workbook, page number 82, you have to fill in the blanks to name the planets. I'm sure you can easily do it once you remember the names of the planets. Now let's move on to the student book exercise on page number 137. These are the names of different constellations. I hope you remember what is a constellation. A constellation is a group of stars which makes a specific shape. Here we have to find the names of the given constellations from the grid. Now let's move on to the next section. Have you ever come across a dictionary? What did it look like? Well, a dictionary is a book in which we can find the meanings of words and their usage. Words in a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order, which goes like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So, if you want to find the meaning of a word which starts from C, you should know that it will come obviously after the words starting from alphabet B. So that is what is meant by alphabetical order, which means words starting with A will come first, whereas words starting with B will come after the word starting with A. Let's see an example. Table and chair. Let us find the meanings of these words from the dictionary. How do we do that? What is the alphabetical order in which you have to look for these words in the dictionary? Let us look at the first letter of both the words. In table, the first letter is T, whereas in chair, the first letter is C. So, which letter will come before the other alphabetically? Well, if we see, C comes before T in the alphabets. So, according to alphabetical order, we will find in the dictionary the word chair first and the word table later on. Let's take one more example. Table and tennis. Let's look at both the words. If we see, here we cannot apply the same formula because the first letter of both the words is the same, and that is T. In such a case, we look at the second letters of both the words. So the second letter in table is A, whereas the second letter in tennis is E. So which one will come first alphabetically? Yes, the word table will come first, whereas the word tennis will come later. Based on the same, we have a student book exercise on page number 141, which says, arrange these words in alphabetical order. First, food, fire, follow, flew. Since all the words are starting with the same letter F, we will look at the second letters of all the words. So the second letters of all the words are O, I, O, L. Now that we know that both the letters O and O we will have to consider separately, let us first think which of these letters written in white, O, I, O, L, which will come first alphabetically. Let's see if we say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So, the word fire should come first. Let's go ahead. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So the second word would be flew. Let's go ahead. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. We have reached O. But there are two words which have O as the second letter. So now we have to jump to the third letter. So what are the third letters in both the words? It is O in food, whereas it is L in follow. And which one comes first in the alphabetical order? L comes first, right? So the third word would be follow. And the last word in the alphabetical order would be food. So we may write the answer as fire, flew, follow and food. I hope this example is clear to you and you will be able to complete the rest of the exercises by yourselves. In today's digital age, we have many other sources of learning as well. So if you don't have a dictionary at home, or you don't find it in a nearby library, or you may not be able to go there due to the current pandemic conditions, you need not worry about it, because we have the smart gadgets which can help us find out the meanings of words and usage of them. It's just like a dictionary. So let's see how to find meanings and usage of words using computer or smartphone. You all are aware of the different types of browsers that are available, right? Out of these, Google Chrome and now the latest version Chromium are the most widely used internet browsers. When you open it, the interface will look something like this, right? Here, in search Google or type a URL, you may write down the word and type meaning, and you will get your answer without opening the dictionary. This doesn't mean that it is not interesting to find words in the dictionary. We should know how to find words from the dictionary as well, and therefore we have exercises related to the same. But at the same time, we must pull up our socks to understand and to accept the technological help that is available to us, right? I hope now none of you will face any problem in finding out word meanings and usage of words. You are all very well equipped with the working of dictionary and the working of the technological devices for your use. The tasks for the day are: complete page number 137 and 141 in the student book. Complete page number 82 and 84 in the workbook. Happy learning!